Hello guys! Have a great morning. So, early morning ngayon, 8 o'clock. Maaga kaming pumunta dito sa Kuangwa dahil nga appointment time is 9. So, waiting for our number to be called. Kaya stay tuned guys. Just sharing you my day. Bless day everyone. Keep fit and live a healthy lifestyle. Hello guys, have a great morning. So after our hospital appointment, we went directly to Yamcha, eat some breakfast or let's say brunch kasi kasali na yun sa lunch. Then I walk going to Xiaokaiwan or neighboring city or town, let's say. And we are here. Diretso na ako mag-market guys. So hope everyone is doing good and welcome to my channel. This is May and big shout out to all my channel members, Fantastic Kiko, Hernan Fernandez TV and An Austria. So before mag-market guys, dumaan ako ng McDonald's kasi super ang sakit na talaga ng tiyan ko. Nasobrahan yata ng Yamcha. Then I bought some fish fillet and apple pie for later at 3 o'clock sa tea time ko. Then diretso na dito ng market guys. By the way, dumating ako dito kasi naghanap ako ng knee socks. Right, knee socks. Pero wala akong makita. So siguro I guess I have to keep going. Pero mayroon pa sa guys, sa kabila. Let's check it out. Kaya stay with me guys. And to all my subscribers, big shout out to all of you. Thank you so much for your endless support to my channel. I am so grateful for your time, for sharing your time with me. So here we are. I think they don't have as well kasi mga knitted lang ito, scarf, bags. Wala siya guys. So itour ko na lang kayo sa market. This is our neighboring town or district guys. Kasi we live in Taikushing. Kung sa MTR station ka, Taiko Station, then the next station is Saiwanho and Xiaokaiwan. So kung lalakarin mo lang, madali lang siya guys. And exercise na rin, 'di ba? So today is magandang weather. Hindi siya malamig, hindi siya mainit. Just right. There you go. So bibili na lang ako ng guys, ng vegetable for dinner. Menu pala namin ngayon is 4 na klase. Isang soup which is composed of fish tail, carp yung malaking isda, pero tail lang yun gagamitin guys for the soup. Then I'll have tomato and potato para sa soup. And our vegetable is inchoy or Japanese spinach. If wala akong makikitang inchoy, it will be pochoy. Pochoy is Chinese spinach, guys. That's our vegetable. Then we have a steamed egg with scallop. And what else? Ang meat natin is chicken. So dahil nga busy day ngayon, so I'll go for chicken wings. Chicken wings in oven, guys. Or let's say microwave oven kasi walang oven. So that will be our menu for today. Then bibili na rin ako ng isda for tomorrow, which is for fry. Kasi walang klase bukas, kaya super busy na. So for tomorrow is fish for fry. Then kai choy. Kai choy is mustard. So wala akong makitang inchoy, so siguro I'll go for pochoy. Wala akong makitang Japanese spinach, guys. I'll show you if may makikita ko. Japanese spinach. Okay, let's check this one. Wala rin sila. Ang hirap guys, mag-market if wala ka pang naisipan na menu for the day. Kasi kailangan mo maghanap, mag-isip. Ganyan ang buhay OFW, guys, lalo na kapag ikaw lahat nagpaplano. But if everything is planned and you just need to go out to buy those things, so mabilis lang siya. So wala, dito tayo sa kabila, guys. Ito pala siya yung pochoy or Chinese spinach. Wala akong makitang inchoy or Japanese spinach, guys. So punta muna tayo sa isda kasi I need to buy some fish din. OFW life, guys, is siguro if you are used to do it, madali lang siya, and if your employer is my consideration. But if your employer ay walang pakialam, so mahihirapan ka talaga, guys. But luckily for me, it's just right. Kasi mutual understanding naman, my communication, and one that is the best thing to do is communication talaga. Kaya sa lahat ng mga OFW na tulad ko, huwag kayong tahimik, guys. You have to communicate with your employer. Kasi hindi naman sila magikero, di ba? Katulad din sa atin, hindi rin tayo magikero na malalaman natin yung iniisip nila. So, vice versa, guys. Ganun lang. You have to communicate. So, wala akong mahanap. And may nakita akong shop dito. Let's check it out if may nisak sila. Oh, mga sapatos. Tag 60, tag 38, mga jacket. Parang maganda siya. Pero hindi ako mahilig mamili, guys. Yung mga gamit ko is mga ano lang yan, mga duty free. Kumbaga pinamigay. O, diba? May ganito din dito, guys. Mga matatanda. And everyone respects kung ano man ang katayuan sa buhay. Walang discrimination dito. So sana ganun din sa Pilipinas or sa ibang bansa, let's say. Basta dito, ano man katayuan mo sa buhay or how you look, wala silang pakialam and they don't mind. 'Di ba? So sana ganun din sa atin. And papalapit na pala ang Chinese New Year's, guys. Chinese New Year, and look at this. This sets of candies. Lumalabas lang yan siya every New Year, every Chinese New Year. Ang ganda, guys, and super colorful. So that's for today, guys. That's all for today. Pagpatuloy ko ang aking paghahanap ng mga kakailanganin ko for today. Stay tuned sa aking mga videos, guys. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And thank you so much for your time, guys. Please do share it with your community if you ever happen to like the video and if the video helps you. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day. So guys, finally done marketing. Pauwi na, guys. Parang nakakapagod umikot sa market, maghanap ng mabibili. But anyway, thanks for today dahil natapos rin ang doctor's appointment and ang marketing. So, hindi na ako maglakad pa uwi. I'll go by tram. Pamasahe is $3, guys. So, here we go. Magta-tram ako. Hindi. Video. Okay lang yan. So, nakauwi na, guys. Nakauwi na. And may display na sila ng Chinese New Year. Na? Saan? Chinese New Year na talaga, guys. Look. So, nakarating na rin ang bahay finally. Ayan pala si Rose. Please subscribe to her channel. Rose Diary. Thank you. So, nasa 28th floor kami, guys. Kaya hintay-hintay, waiting. So, guys, dito na tayo sa 28th floor. And just wanna say thank you to all of you. Maraming salamat po. Andito na ako sa amin. See you again soon. Bye-bye, everyone.